Hey folks, Cooley here with some more of your emails about high-tech cars and modern driving. Not just emails, but hatred. Hatred for modern headlights. I've gotten a lot of these lately. I think this one sums it up well from Eric S. in Orange County, California, who says, how are LED headlights even legal in the U.S.? They're great when your car has them for clarity, but seen when a car with them is behind me or approaching me, I always think they have their high beams on. I've gotten a lot of these kind of emails, Eric, for folks that are having a visceral reaction to modern, brighter, different colored, and different technology headlights. Now, all of this is governed, very detailed, by the FMVSS Section 108, which is this federal Bible that tells car makers exactly what lights have to be like, how bright they can be, where they can be positioned, how high, how low, what their beam throw is, their beam pattern, and how to measure it. So that's all there. You'd say, okay, well, if that's all so specific, why do so many cars' headlights look so wildly different, especially lately? Because there are 4 technical parts in your headlight that can really change the nature of how you perceive the light from it. Let's run them down. First, you've got the lens. That's the clear front of a headlight module. Sometimes it is clear. Sometimes it has a dimpled pattern to aid in beam forming and dispersion. So that changes things. The light source. Do you have a bulb? Do you have a gas discharge unit? That's one of those HID xenon types of bulbs. Is it LED, like Eric mentions? That's relatively rare these days. Or is it super exotic? Is it one of the few high-end cars that have a laser source for the light? Then you've got the position of where the light is, because there is some leeway in federal law, and where that bulb sits, and how it angles off the reflector. That'll be different for high beam and low beam. You've got the reflector itself, the back part, which is typically very polished, that reflects forward, but there's also often a forward reflector in front of the bulb that shines back to the rear reflector that then sends the light back out to the road. That's a complex little dance. And finally, projector bulbs have a shutter. You'll see when a car that has these is turned on, you'll see it align and calibrate itself. The shutter comes up and sits at a cutoff. It's a dead giveaway right there. And that affects the nature of the beam, whether it's high or low. So look at all those parts, and you can see cars are not going to look the same, even if they have a similar core technology for their light source. It's not just about whether it's got LED or not. Now, the other thing going on is a lot of modern cars are trending their light frequency, the wavelength, more toward blue. Blue is much more the color of the sun, even though we think of it as being this big orange, happy yellow orb. It's actually kind of a blue light source in our visible spectrum. That is kind of an upsetting color of light to see at night. We're not really adapted to see bright sunlight coming at us in spots during a nighttime dark scene. So it can be very hard for us to have the dynamic range in our eyes to reconcile a dark night with basically sunlight coming at us from the face of a car. That's why the older, yellower lights were a little easier to deal with. They were just kind of less potent, to be honest, and didn't demand as much of our ability to reconcile all that light out there. And the wild card to all of this is DIY installs. A lot of people are going out there and they're adding these high-intensity discharge xenon gas retrofit kits. These are very bright, these are not expensive kits, they tend to work okay. I'm not a big fan, but the big problem is these were not designed by the car maker to work with the reflectors, to work with the lens, to work with all those different parts and positioning. So it's kind of like saying, my photograph's out of focus, let me throw more light on it. You're kind of mixing metaphors and mixing techniques there.